Welcome back, money makers. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cool number photo collage using Canva. Whether it's for vacation memories, kids' school photos, or family portraits, this easy design is perfect for your dorm room, home, or even as a gift. Now let's get started. Guys, so once you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to select a custom size. I'm going to use 9 by 5 inches. Okay. And once it's pulled up, okay guys, so once we're over in elements, what we're going to do is type in rectangle. A square will probably pop out. Okay. But I'm going to change this color to black, and I'm going to resize this and make it into a rectangle. All right. Okay guys, so you want to make sure this is centered. Okay, there we have it. We know it's centered. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is go over here to text. We're going to add a heading, and I'm going to type the number 2. Okay, okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is change the font. I'm going to use this font here. Okay, and I'm going to increase the size of it to about 180. And I'm going to drag the number 2 over here, and then I'm going to copy and paste and just drag it over. Continue to copy and paste. All right. And the last one, I'm going to change this number to 5, and this number here into 0. Okay. Make sure all of the numbers are evenly. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is go to the top. I'm going to download and make sure it's PNG, and then click download. Once it opened up, I'm going to drag it over here, and we will see that it's opening. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is add a page, and we're going to upload our picture here, drag our picture over here, put it in the corner, and resize it. Okay, and then we're going to go to the background remover. All right. Okay, then you're going to go to edit and scroll right here and click on do tone. And you can select whatever color you want. I'm going to choose this green here. Okay, and so the next thing you want to do is go back to elements, and we're going to click on frame, and I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller. All right, I'm going to drag it over here. Okay guys, we're going to resize it so fit as best way you can. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste. All right, and I'm just going to drag it up here and continue to copy and paste. You have to modify it some. Okay, go all the way down. Okay, I'm going to modify this some, turn it. Okay, paste it again. Paste again. All right, come over here. All right, paste again. Drag it over here to the 0 and do the same thing. Just keep copying and pasting. All right. Putting all the frames on your numbers, what you're going to do is go to uploads and select the pictures that you want to use. I'm going to reduce the size of this Okay, and then I'm going to drag it over here. All right, and go on to my next picture, reduce it some. Okay, and then just drag it over here. All right, picture here, you're going to make it smaller once again, and then you're just going to drag it. Okay guys, so once you have all your pictures, you're going to right click, you're going to go in layer, show in layers. Okay, and you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to drag 2025 to the top, and you just keep going till it gets all the way to the top. Okay, and so once it's to the top, you can see how it made the changes with the pictures to the numbers. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to go back to elements, and I'm going to type in rectangle, and we're going to change this to the color, where we're going to go to our dipper, and we're going to choose this color. Okay, and you're just going to drag it all the way down to the right. We're going to copy this and paste and drag it all the way down, and then we're going to paste again. We're going to make it smaller. We're going to adjust the shape, and we're going to drag it to the left. Okay guys, so once that's done, just go back to the top, delete page 1, and this is the final product. You can also go to the right corner and click on share and download it as a PNG if you want to, guys. So guys, that looks pretty good to me. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.